Gates heat map plot type allows you to quickly compare gated populations across data files in a convenient visual format without the requirement of having plots for each data file inserted on your layout. They share formatting features with regular plate heat maps, but can graph data from all data files, regardless of whether they were acquired in a plate format. To insert a plate heat map on your layout, click on the Insert tab and then click on Gates Heat Map. Draw the plot to the size you want. You can overlay additional data files on the Gates heat map by the usual methods. From the Format Overlays category, choose the data parameter and the statistic to show. You can choose from percent of parent, mean, median, and more. From specific options, you can choose to assign the colors of the wells in the Gates heat map on a row, column, or all rows and columns basis. You can also choose to display a space between the wells or not. From color levels, you can choose among various color schemes and properties. The default is green-red, mean plus or minus standard deviation. You can increase or decrease the standard deviation basis on which colors are assigned to the wells. You can also define the color scaling as logarithmic or linear, and the style to be fixed range, percentile, or threshold. Experiment with different color schemes to best present your data, such as rainbow, monochromatic color gradients, and grayscale. Adding a legend to your plot visually explains how the colors are assigned. In this example, wells with high median expression of CD1656PE are dark gray to black, and those with low expression are light gray to white. By default, all the gates created on your layout will show on the Gates heat map. From Gates to Display, you can turn selected gates off. Finally, you can insert a Gates heat map stats grid inside a text box on your layout. The statistic for each well will be shown in grid fashion, mimicking the layout of the Gates heat map plot. For questions, please visit our website or email us at support@denovosoftware.com.